everybody, it's Actuary Dude over here. So let's look at another question. A fund has a value of 120,000 on the 1st of January 01. Net cash flow 20,000 comes in on the 1st of November 01, and then we get another 48,000, that's on the 1st of May 02. But immediately before then we're given some values. So before the first one is 137,000, and before the second one is 173,000. So what have we got the value of the fund on 31st of December? On the 31st of December 2002, we got 205. So let's actually just draw this. And let's see, we got the 1st of Jan 01, and we're going to be ending with the 31st of December 02, and then we've got the 1st of November 01. So we can put that around here. 1st of the 11th 01, and then it says, what else do we get? 1st of May 02. So somewhere about there. 1st of May 02, this isn't to scale. And before each of them, it tells us the value of it. So before this one, just before it, we get, what was it, as 137. And then the next one, for the second time, we get 173. And I should include that we had 20 over here. We get 48 over here. We end with 205. And we started with 120. Okay, so now it just wants to know what is the time-weighted rate of return between that period. So this is looking over 3 years. We're going 1st Jan 01 to 1st Jan 02 to 1st Jan. Actually, sorry, that was I think 2 years there. We're just looking at. So we're going to be having 1 plus I squared, and that's going to be equal to, and now we've got to find it. So first 120 turns into 137, and we don't need to care about time here because that's what we're doing, the time-weighted rate of return. Then we multiply that by, so we had 137. We're going to add an extra 20, and that's going to give us 173. And then with that, we have 173, we get 48, and that's going to give us 205. And all of this worked out is somehow going to get us I. So let's just use Excel to figure that one out. So we first got 137 divided by 120. We've got down 173 divided by 157. And then we've got 205 divided by, what is that? I'm not even going to try and work that out. There we go, and then we just multiply all that together. And this is what 1 plus I squared is equal to, so we put that to the power of half, and then we minus 1. And that's going to give us 8.02% per annum. Okay? It is 8.02%, and that's per annum. So that's our answer to part I. And then it wants to know what's the relative strengths and weaknesses of using the time-weighted rate of return as opposed to using the money-weighted rate of return when comparing the performance of two investment managers over the same period. Alright, so I guess one of the benefits of using the time-weighted rate of return is that these distortions over here, this extra 20 that we got here and this extra 48 that we got over there, and depending on when they came into the equation, it's actually eliminated by doing this. So we've taken it into consideration, and we get a bit more accurate of a number over here. One of the weaknesses though is that we need so much more info. We can't just rely on 120 turn into 205. We have to know 120 turn into 137, then we added 20, turn into that, we added this, turn into that, which is a lot more information. But it does make it a bit fairer for doing that. But then also one of the weaknesses for using the money-weighted rate of return is that you may not even have a unique solution for the interest rate. And in fact, you may not have a unique solution or any solution for that matter. So thanks a lot for watching, and ask if you have any questions.